Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can create a Klaviyo account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.klaviyo.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Now, fill in your details, enter your full name, email address, and create a strong password. When done, hit Create Account. Next, check your email inbox for a verification message from Klaviyo. Open it and click the verification link to confirm your email. After verifying, you'll be asked a few quick questions about your business, like your business name, website, and which platform you're using, such as Shopify or Ecommerce. You can also skip these if you just want to explore. Finally, you'll be taken to your Klaviyo dashboard, your central hub for managing email campaigns, lists, and automations. And that's it. Your Klaviyo account is now ready to use. Happy emailing! Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can set up an email campaign in Klaviyo. So let's jump right into it. Start by logging in to your Klaviyo account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left menu and click on Campaigns. Then click Create Campaign to start a new one. Now choose who you want to send this to, either a full email list or a targeted segment, depending on your goal. Next, add your campaign name, write a subject line, and set the sender's name and email that your subscribers will see. Then, pick a template. You can choose from Klaviyo's ready-made templates or create your own with a blank layout. Customize your email by updating the text, images, and buttons to match your brand. Once done, preview the email and send yourself a test to double-check everything. Finally, either send the campaign now or schedule it for later, and you're good to go. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can add a video to your email using Klaviyo. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard and create a new campaign. Fill in all the necessary details like the campaign name and recipients. Once done, click Continue to move forward. Next, enter your subject line and preview text. These help grab your audience's attention. After that, choose the drag and drop email editor to design your email. Now, select a template that fits your layout. Once inside the editor, you'll notice that Klaviyo doesn't offer a dedicated video block, but there's an easy workaround. Drag a text block from the left-hand panel into your email layout. Then click into the block and open the source code view. Now go to your video platform like YouTube, click Share, then select Embed, and copy the HTML embed code. Back in Klaviyo, paste this embed code into the source code editor and apply the changes. Your video will now be part of your email. Use the preview button to check how everything looks and make layout or alignment adjustments if needed. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can integrate your Klaviyo account with PostScript. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and scroll down until you see Integrations. Click on it. Next, click on Add Integration at the top right. In the search bar on the left, type PostScript, and when you find it, click on it. Now, hit Install and wait a moment while it sets up. You'll be prompted to log in either via your Shopify store or with your email. Choose whichever works best for you. I'll log in through Shopify. When you connect your Shopify store, you'll see a prompt asking you to allow access or continue. Make sure to approve this to let PostScript access your store data. This step is important because it lets Klaviyo and PostScript sync customer info and messaging. After you approve, you'll be redirected to the PostScript dashboard, confirming your integration is complete. That's it. You've successfully connected Klaviyo with PostScript and you're ready to start using both platforms together. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial, where we'll explain how you can get unsubscribe list in Klaviyo, so let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand panel and click on Audience. From there, go to Profiles. This section contains your entire list of customers and subscribers. Select the profile you want to unsubscribe. Once you open that profile, you'll see various details like customer properties and information. At the top, you'll see the email address of the user, and right beside it, there will be 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots, and you'll see an option to unsubscribe. Click on Unsubscribe, and that's it. That user will no longer receive emails from your campaigns or flows. Now, there's another way to unsubscribe a list or group of members using a segment. For this, go back to the Audience section and click on Lists and Segments. On the top right corner, click Create New, and you'll be given two options: create a list or a segment. Choose Segment. Once you're inside, you can set up your own conditions. For example, you can filter by activity, like people who have visited your site at least once in the last 30 days, or you can set rules for people who have done or not done a certain action. After setting up your condition, click Create Segment. Klaviyo will take a few moments to generate it. Once the segment is ready, you'll see all the matching profiles inside your list, and you can manage or suppress them accordingly. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain how you can set up the Added to Cart metric in Klaviyo. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top section and click on Flows. Then, click on Create Flow. You'll see a variety of templates available. On the left-hand side, there's a Browse by Goal section, where templates are grouped by specific use cases. For this example, we'll select the Customer Thank You template, which is also available under the Browse by Goal category. Once you click on it, the Flow template will load. You can edit and personalize it by adding your own taglines or adjusting the email content to match your brand. Once your flow opens, you'll have full control. In this page, you can add emails, SMS, profile property updates, and more. Everything works through drag and drop. Just pick what you need and place it into your flow. Once you're done arranging it, click Review and turn on. A new interface will appear where you can set the flow status to either manual or live. In this case, we're selecting live, but you can choose whichever option suits you. Then, click Save. Now, when you return to your home page, you'll see that your Customer Thank You flow is active and visible. And that's how you set it up. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can integrate your WooCommerce store with Klaviyo. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the left-hand side and click on the Integrations tab. Now click on the Add Integration button. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and select it from the list. After that, click on Install, and you will be taken to the setup page. Now you can navigate to your WooCommerce store. You have your store URL from where you manage your website, and that's how you can integrate your Klaviyo to WooCommerce. Once everything is set, your WooCommerce store will start syncing with Klaviyo automatically, and that's it. Your Klaviyo account is now fully integrated with WooCommerce. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can integrate Klaviyo with your Shopify store. It's a simple and easy process, so let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll down and click on the Integrations tab. In the search bar, type Shopify and select it from the list. The Shopify integration page will now appear. Click on the Install button to begin the setup. It might take a few moments to load. Next, you'll be asked to enter your Shopify store URL. To find this, open a new tab and go to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Settings, then go to Store Details. Copy your full store URL. It usually looks something like yourstorename.myshopify.com. Return to Klaviyo, paste the URL into the field, and click on Connect to Shopify. That's it. Your Klaviyo account is now successfully connected with your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can add embed form Klaviyo, so let's get started. First, log into your Klaviyo account and go to your home page. From there, head over to the Sign Up Forms section. You'll see a button that says Create Form. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose from a range of form templates. Pick the one that fits your needs and start customizing it. You can adjust the text, change the colors, update the background, whatever you want to match your brand. Once your form is ready, click the Publish button. Klaviyo will then ask how you want to integrate the form with your site. Choose the option to integrate with a platform and select Shopify. You'll be asked to enter your Shopify store URL. To get that, just head over to your Shopify admin, copy the full link to your store, and paste it into Klaviyo. After that, click Connect to Shopify, and that's it. Your Klaviyo form will now be linked to your Shopify store and live on your site. You're ready to start collecting subscribers and growing your list. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a subscriber list in Klaviyo. So let's jump right into it. To get started, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, check the link in the description to sign up for a free trial or log in quickly. Once you're in, click on the Audience tab from the left-hand menu. From the drop-down, choose Lists and Segments. At the top right, click Create List or Segment, then select Create List. Now, give your list a name, something that reflects its purpose to help you stay organized. You can also add tags if you'd like to categorize it further. Once you're done, hit Create List. With your new list created, it's time to upload your contacts. Click Upload Contacts, then hit Upload File. Select the CSV file from your device that contains your subscriber data. Before uploading, make sure the file is formatted correctly. Next, Klaviyo will prompt you to confirm your import settings. Check the boxes that match your preferences, such as the type of contacts you're uploading. When you're ready, click Next. Now review the final settings and click Import. Your contacts will be added to the list. You can view and manage them anytime by going back to the Lists and Segments section on your dashboard. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can delete or clean up a profile in Klaviyo. So let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the left sidebar and click on Audience. A drop-down will appear. Now click on Profiles. Here, you'll see all your subscribers or customer profiles. Use the search bar to find the exact person you want to delete. You can type their email or name. Once you find the profile, click on it to open the full view. In the top right corner, you'll see a button called Profile Actions. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Delete Profile. Now a confirmation box will appear. Just click Yes, Delete to remove that profile permanently from your Klaviyo account, and that's it. The profile is gone, and your list is now cleaner. Just a heads up. Once deleted, all of that profile's data will be lost, but if the user signs up again, they'll be added as a new contact.